Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to connect Shizuku step by step. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply head to the Play Store or App Store, whatever you're using. Then I want you to hit the search bar and search for Shizuku and make sure that you download or install the application. Once you install it, hit the open. Then now you want to click on the pairing icon. Then you should scroll down till you find here developer options. Simply tap on it. Then you should go and enable the developer options first. Now, in order to allow or turn on the developer options, you should go to the About phone. Here, in my case, I'm using Poco X3 NFC. That's why I'm doing this approach. Then I will have to step on these things for several times till it tells me here that now I'm a developer. Now go back again, click on developer options. Then I want you to turn this option on, and you should also turn on USB debugging. Once you enable USB debugging, it tells you this message. You just have to wait for about 7 to 8 seconds. It doesn't really matter. Then click on the OK button. And now once you click on OK, you'll now have to go back. Then you should go to wireless debugging and also turn this option on. So here I have wireless debugging. Simply turn it on. Click on yes, always allow on this network. Click on allow again and allow the wireless debugging. And now you will have to click on an option saying pair device with pairing code. So simply hit it. Then now you will have to copy this code. So copy this code. Here in my case this is 09. Okay, I can type it. 098586. So now I'm gonna click on cancel. Then I'm gonna click on OK again. And now here it tells me enter pairing code. And now I'm gonna type the pairing code, which is 098586. Then I'm gonna hit the enter button. And now it's searching. Now it will search for the pairing service, and congratulations. Now you are connected. Now we have been connected to Shizuku. And now there's just a specific thing that you need to do. You'll have to go back. So you'll just have to click on start after pairing and you're all done. And you need to give it all the full script and all the preferences in order to run such application. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.